Hey, welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? Let's see. Today I have been given a challenge by the Massey Art Studio Patreon. I just found out about it, so a little late, but I'm gonna get it done. The challenge is a color palette challenge, and it is made up of the following colors, which will also be down in my description box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piggies and two tube paints, as it were. Piggies are watermelon, sequins, Violet Rain. I'm using Athena. I was supposed to use Rosé, but I don't have Rosé, so I'm using Athena, which hopefully won't get my hand smacked too bad. Twilight. And Pinwheel. And my two paints are Amsterdam Oxide Black and Chromacryl White. We've never used the Chromacryl White before, so I'm kind of excited about it. Mixed up these paints yesterday, and they were so full of bubbles, you guys. Oh my goodness. It was crazy. So I was going to paint yesterday, but once I saw the paints, I was like, no, I'm going to wait, because, I mean, layers of bubbles. So today I'm just going to give them all a not fast, but quick stir to make sure that things are still as they should be, which they do seem to be, which is good. Then we're going to layer a cup, and my intention is to do a straight pour and make ourselves something pretty. Let's get down and get this cup layered. How about it? Here we go. This is a 20 by 20, level 3, gallery wrapped, taped, pinned. So I'm just going to drizzle some of this black in here. I like my middles to be darker. I'm also going to drizzle just a little white, not much. All right, now we're going to start with this watermelon, maybe. I think I might have these out of order. I'm not sure. This might be Twilight. Anyway. Start with that. Go to sequins. And then we're going to go to, what is this, Violet Rain. And then we're going to take a little white. Ooh, where did I have all these sitting before? I seem to not have much room now. I never have much room, y'all. I was a messy person. And then we're going to go to the Athena, my contraband color. And then the Twilight. And I'm going to do a little more of this white. Then we're going to go to the pinwheel. Pinwheel. Just pinwheel.
Give me love. give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Here is our lovely cup, which has little cells rising to the top. And we're just going to straight pour this right down the middle. So here we go.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
First, we're just gonna, I gotta move that back a little. There we go. Just gonna move this around a little bit. First place we're going to go is right up there. Back to the middle. Over there. Not in a race. I have a really bad habit of not being very patient with tilting. So, slow it down a little bit. I don't want to go over just yet. Back to the middle. I ain't liking that black in there. Yet. Doesn't mean I won't. Just means that I don't yet. And up to that top corner. Watching the weight of my paint. It got down a little further than I meant for it to. There we go. Toward the corner. Trolley-la. Close enough. Flip it around. Back to the middle. Slow down, Kale.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. It's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn,
This to me looks like a smoky agate. The transparency is just sort of nothing short of amazing. I have some really cool stuff happening over here. I'll show you when we get down for our wet results. Okay, here are our wet results of this largely piggy painting. Straight pour, not traveling. Finished off with, look at those, look at those. Look at that veining. Is that crazy? It's crazy. I think that's that Chromacryl White. And look at all these weird little cells that are coming up in here. So weird. I think that Chromacryl White is some kind of wild stuff, man. I heard that it was. So I got some. Because, you know, I got to have the wild stuff. Look at those. Look at those. Crazy, crazy. Cells and cells and cells. That lovely little ring pour in the middle. Some nice fingerlings. I do think that perhaps the paint was a little thin, but look at the translucence on this thing. Isn't that nuts? This is golden gel gloss, about 25%, and about 75% Floetrol. It's a Erica Hughes recipe that I got from Mina Villegas, my girl. But look at this. It's just weird. Look at this. This looks like almost like a sternum with ribs and this crazy like flower heart thing happening. I think it's kind of cool. I'm not nuts about the colors, actually, but it is pretty cool. I would have liked to had a little gold in there or something, but that wasn't on my list of allowed colors. So this is what we got. It's kind of cool. I kind of like it. Kind of nifty. Okay, here we are inside because it's snowing outside. Here are the dried results from my challenge for the Massey Boys, Massey Posse Patreon thing. Pink. Lots and lots of pink. Not really in my wheelhouse. It is kind of cool, however. I did this all with pigments. And look at the that Chromacryl White. Look at it's not breaking up. It's like making veins. It's so cool, kind of. And that was the ring pour that I finished off with. It looks kind of like a rose. Or a flower in a rib cage, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, because I used a whole lot of Floetrol, this dried really kind of dull, but I think that when I put the either whatever kind of sealer I decide to use on it, I'm not sure. I think it's gonna look really cool because this is all of this stuff up here. It's like really ghosty looking. And between that and the veining, I think this might look pretty cool. But I just painted it this past week, so can't really do that yet. And I really do think that looks like a sternum and a rib cage with a rose inside. So, I don't know. It's very pink. I like it okay. And there are our wet results. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.